Hi,
Hello?
hi, this is the Bobby McHenry Show, your only live talk
That's
show
how
right
you
now.
do it,
Welcome.
shit. Like,
Hi.
Hi, this is our Valentine's Day show, so you're on the Valentine's Day show, so thank you so much for accepting the invite.
No problem.
Is it okay with you to ask a couple questions?
For sure.
Okay. The first one is, what do people misunderstand about you the most and why?
Probably the fact that I dress really bougie or girly now, and I used to be a super tomboy.
Okay. Um. Okay. Next one. Let me see. Going through my notes here. Hold on. Let me see. Okay. All right. What is the best compliment you've received and why?
Probably when my boyfriend told me that I was his perfect image, and I guess it'd be because it just made me feel good to finally feel whole to somebody.
Okay. And then my last one. Was is the if you could get if you can go back and give your 18-year-old self one piece of advice. I don't know how old you are, but what would you say to your 18-year-old self and why?
I probably would have told myself to have dumped that loser a little bit sooner.
Okay. All right. Well, that's really it. That's the three questions I asked. And I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time to, like I said, accepting the invite. You didn't have to, but you did, so I appreciate you. As a courtesy of the show, I follow the people who come on the show and I interview, so I'm going to give you a follow. If you can follow back if you want to, but yeah,
All right, thank you. It was nice meeting you.
you too.